Okay, so these are our two trays, as I say. These were 100 to 115 grams individually weighed back in March, sort of tail end of March. So that's April, May, June. They've had 3 months growth. The sea temperature, we haven't actually done an outside sea temperature, but we estimate it is above 15. And I'll just give you a little example. I mean, you can see by this oyster, this new growth, you can definitely see it on the back edge. The new growth is the inside of each oyster shell, and the oldest part of the shell is in fact the old small bit down here, and every time they open and close they put a new layer. So these white rings are very brittle, fragile little bits of new growth. You can see it breaks off quite easily. I'm not going to break too much of it off, but now, having chatted to Tony Legg, it seems that maybe these could be the males because they are growing fast. He suggests that the females are too busy with creating their eggs. So we're going to go through these 100 or so oysters, and we're going to select which ones we think might be males and which ones we think might be females. And then we're also going to take a look at all of those oysters and select ones which we feel are the best cut shape. Just as an example, this one might not have any defects as an oyster, but it's grown itself on a flat surface, a bit of slate by the look of it. So we're probably not going to put that through our hatchery process, purely because it has a irregular shaped shell. We're going to look for the perfect shaped shells to give our hatchery stock the best chance of maybe having the best genetic growth.